What's up, everybody? It's Justin from Liberty Lumber Products, and we wanted to share a quick build with you. One of my employees, Rick, who is a longtime woodworker, joined our company a little while ago. His wife approached us about doing a special build for her, and we talked to her and we wanted to know what are you thinking? And she immediately said, "I'm from Montreal, and I'm a huge Montreal Canadians fan." And I don't know if you know where we're from, but we're about to tell you we're from Rhode Island. And this is definitely Bruins territory.
Scores! Ally Afraidy has given Boston the lead again.
For those of you who don't know, Patrick Roy, while he was a Montreal Canadian, was probably one of the top 3 goaltenders of all time. So we definitely respect it. So for us to make this board for her, it had to be done in a special way. So Claudette, this build's for you, but we could only make this under one condition. Go Bruins!
Drive, score!